Hello, it's me, Kat, and I'm here today with a gift for you, and this is our Friday Patreon video. It is a video from one of our well over 600 videos that we have. I just take one from the back and send it out here for you to enjoy. It will still be relevant, of course. All the videos are relevant, and if you decide that you want to receive one every day, 5 days a week, all year long, then come sign up. Go to patreon.com and sign up. You have 3 tiers to choose from. The first one is $5 a month, and that gives you a video every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, but every single weekday, Monday through Friday, a fresh new one. If you go to the second tier, which is $25, that's a mentoring from me once a month, personally helping you through our system, and you get the videos, so that's pretty cool. And then the third video, the highest tier that I have right now, is $50 a month. And that's for those of you who are looking for a little bit more. You want 2 personal mentorings a month of 25 minutes, and then you want to be able to access the videos. So these are the 3 tiers in Patreon for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon on Patreon. Hello, patrons. Today's title is Finish Pictures. And what does that mean? Well, I tell you to use your camera to look at your clutter because you won't see it with your regular eyes. I don't know why. I think it just kind of burns into your brain and it's like a regular part of your house. I mean, I know you know it's there, but if you really want to see it, take a picture. Take your phone and take a picture. Now, when you finish, take another picture and compare and see what you really did in that section of the bedroom, in this section of the pantry, whatever it is, take a picture. Now, over time, once you've finished, if you're doing your clutter checks, that finished picture should remain pretty much the same. However, you may have some purchases that have gradually built up on the counter, things that belong there, it's the purpose for the space, but it just doesn't feel as shiny and pretty as it did before. So go back and look at your finished picture. Take a picture of what it looks like now, what it's evolved to, and see if that's what you really want. Now, it's okay if the new evolution of your finished picture is better than the original. It's okay, but most of us kind of really want that shiny space, that clean, clear space that makes us breathe better. So look at the difference at the finish and at the start. Now, if you're using your 3 little keys, your little clutter keys, you won't see clutter, but you may see just too much of a good thing. The example I'm going to give you is Robin, one of my mentees, and she's the one who inspired me to make this video. She said, I looked at my kitchen and it just didn't look like the finished picture. And I went back and I looked at it, and I'm really missing my shiny surfaces, my expanses. And she said, I bought some things that kind of added up. I've got a French press, which is a little coffee press. I've got some different things that I put out on the counter that really don't need to be there. I really am longing for my shiny spaces. So in her case, she wants to put her French press up and all the accoutrements that go with that, perhaps. I don't know, I can't remember what all she had out there. But whatever it is, she decided to put it away. And she had a place for it because she has room in her cabinets. And now she's back to her shiny spaces, to her finished picture. So think about what you may have decluttered already. If you've been with me for a while, go back and look at those spaces. All of my graduate mentees, go back and look at your spaces. Take a picture of what it looks like now and look at your original finished picture if you took one. And I hope you did, because finished pictures are so important. Also, original clutter pictures are so important. You want to get the pictures before, because later on you're going to want to measure back. It's just like before you lose weight. It's nice to have a picture to look at. Even though you don't enjoy that picture of yourself while you're in that state, just like you won't enjoy taking a picture of your clutter while you're in a cluttered state, it's going to be great to be able to look back and say, wow, look how far I've come. So make sure you make a finished picture, make a start picture, and then make a today picture and see what the difference is. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day doing this, and I want you to always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.